Make a life for myself.
Hello and welcome to a new Carbonwurks video. Today is an exciting day for us here. So we're actually working on an Audi R8 V10 Plus, and this is in our new facilities and a new premises. We're really excited about it, and this is going to be one great video. So let's talk a little bit about the car. So as mentioned, we're doing an engine bay package on this one. So if I get you to pan over to these shots, you'll see these are the engine panels that are going on the car. So we produce these parts. They are full 100% autoclave pre-preg parts. And the reason for that is you've got this great big heat source. The parts need to stand up to heat. You can't do any other manufacturing method and give longevity to the parts. So these are the parts themselves. These are full pre-preg, so you know you can tell a pre-preg part when you pick it up, when you touch it. They're just solid. They're incredibly rigid, very light. I mean, it weighs not much more than a crisp packet, but lovely finish, and looking forward to getting these in the car. I will get my glamorous assistant now to hand me an air intake cover. This wasn't rehearsed at all, don't worry. So part of this kit, there's quite a few elements. You have the firewall panels, of which there's 3, and you might be able to see on the table, or some other footage will splice in. There's going to be an engine cover, coolant cover, and these air intake covers as well. So this is the only part of the kit that we physically don't manufacture. So we buy these from Audi, so this is a genuine Audi part. We know our limitations, we don't make plastics. So we decided, well, we'll buy these parts from Audi, and then we'll do all the other bits which we're good at. So yeah, really looking forward to get this on the car. I will show you one detail actually that might or might not annoy you, and that's the engine and the gearbox. It's actually set and sat slightly off center. So you might see that, you might not, but for those people who've got a little bit of OCD, you'll now know. And that's also why the air intake boxes are very slightly different in size as well, because it's like staggered. But enough about that. Let's get this car on and get some carbon in. All right.
Make a life for myself. Make a life for myself. Make a life for myself. Make a life for myself.
carbon is now on, and well, you can see the results here. It's transformed the rear end of the car. The engine bay is now what looks like a proper supercar, and yeah, it's all ready to roll. It's amazing how easily this goes together and fits. It's not an overly complicated thing to do. There's quite a few panels that need to be removed, as you would have already seen in the video so far, but once you've got access to most of it, it all just comes off with clips and fixings without a great deal of hassle. But yeah, looks great. When the lights are going to be shining on this engine bay, it's going to pop and it's going to look fantastic. So hope the customer's very happy, and we'll see you next time.